Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and today I've got two rations here. I've got the IRPMG and I've got a British 24-hour ration. These were purchased by a fellow YouTuber and friend to ForeignMRE, Tracy Phillips. Now, Tracy asked us if he would purchase the rations if we could do two things with them. One, we could give one away as a contest prize, which is what we're going to do in an upcoming video. And in the second ration, he asked if we could give it away to a smaller YouTuber who is trying to get their views up, but they need a little help. So what we're going to do, we're going to reach out to a smaller channel that we've selected to see if they would be interested in reviewing the ration. I just want to say a big thank you to Tracy Phillips. Please show him some love when he writes a comment in one of our videos to just show him some love, tell him hi. He just wants to support the MRE community. He doesn't have a business. He has a job that he loves. He just wants to say, hey, I like what you guys are doing and I want to help. And that is another sneak peek with Behind the Scenes with Nina.
With who?
Nina.
Oh, yeah.